This is a layered drink called an A-bomb. Must be from Canada or something. A-bomb. You know those Canadians talk. What's up, A? Ozer? Anyway, let's get to it. We're going to use a cocktail glass, martini glass, and we're going to layer 4 ingredients. Sambuca, white cream de cocoa, Bailey's, Irish cream, and tequila. Let's hope this works. We're going to start with our Sambuca. Pour it straight into the glass. It's very thick. Lift it down at the bottom. And then we'll try our white cream de cocoa next. Now, at this point, we're going to use a bar spoon. This helps with when you're trying to layer drinks. You want to set the bar spoon along the side of the glass and then pour the ingredient off the back of the spoon. So hopefully it layers. And they're clear, so you're not going to be able to tell. Now, we'll use our Bailey's. Let's see if this layers on top. And that's looking better. A little bit of that, a little bit of that, a little bit of that. Let's get a good layer of that on there. And now, fingers crossed, tequila. Come on, baby. Pour it nice and slow. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. That's looking pretty good. It's probably not tasting pretty good, but it's looking pretty good. Like so. And that is an A-bomb. Yeah. Let's get bombed.